What does a smart hotel look like? In the first smart hotel of Thailand, Furama Chiang Mai, robots are transforming hotel service while boosting efficiency and guest satisfaction.
สวัสดีค่ะ Good afternoon. My name is Nerissa. We have totally 315 rooms, 2 restaurants. This robot has actually helped us solve a few day-to-day operation challenge. For example, at the reception, we use Siri S100 to help deliver luggage to the guest room. They can help us a lot during peak period.
When it comes to room service, in-room delivery is one of the most frequent and staff-intensive services in hotels. It plays a key role in shaping the guest experience.
They can deliver food service to the guest room. This one is work quite well.
The ButlerBot W3 ensures 100% room delivery response while easing staff workload.
In the public area of the hotel, C30 work well because we have large area size of the hotel. It worked well and overall cleaning efficiency has risen by over 50%.
The CleanBot C30 combines sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping in one go, keeping hotel floors spotless around the clock. In the restaurant, the DinerBot T10 can navigate flexibly and safely through narrow 59 centimeters passages.
The DinerBot T10 can take care of 90% food delivery direct to the guest table. It's worked very well during peak time, help our staff a lot.
With its multimodal interaction design and large display, the T10 also serves as an effective marketing tool while providing seamless service.
From our experience, we truly see the potential of the service robot in hotel hospitality sector. That's why Keenon robot work with us closely.
Keenon's hotel solution blends smart automation with warm hospitality. It helps reduce workloads, boosts efficiency, and elevates guest service to the next level.
Keenon.